Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP coin. Few days back, the XRP was leading the bullish rally of altcoins, especially the top 10 cryptocurrencies. But at this time, as you all know, that there is a drastic drop, and you can call it as a crash as well, as the SEC has filed its lawsuit against the Ripple. This is the major reason that the price action is moving down. And almost a week ago, I shared a video with you where I told you that it can be a really very good opportunity to buy the dip as the price action of XRP was completing the final leg of the bullish bad pattern at that time. Let me show you what I told you in my previous video. This is the video that I posted on 16th of December. But here, at the completion of this pattern up to this level, the breaking down of this 50 simple moving average is very important. Once it will be broken down, then we will be confirmed that the price action is going in this PRZ or potential reversal zone level. And we also have very good support of 200 simple moving average. Okay, this was a pattern that I was expecting. And I told you that if the price action on the daily chart will break down this 50 simple moving average, then we can expect a drop up to the potential reversal zone of that bad pattern. Actually, I am strongest believer of the theory that show me the charts, I will tell you the news. At that time, I was just finding this pattern, therefore I shared with you. For example, back in May, when the price action was moving down, I told you that this is the completion of the bullish butterfly pattern in the Bitcoin market, and it can move up from this potential reversal zone. And you can see now, I'm just playing this chart. It entered in this potential reversal zone and moved up more than 230%. And in US dollar market, I found it. That was more than 175% rally. And in the US dollar market, I found this pattern that it is at the support. And I also found some other bullish signals that I have been sharing in my previous videos with you guys. And the price action moved up, and this was more than 230% rally in the US dollar market. Now, if we take a look on the live daily chart at this time, the price action even broke down this 50 simple moving average on the daily chart, and also broke down this 100 simple moving average as well. At this time, it is breaking down the 200 simple moving average. And if we watch the different support levels, we had this support, the 31 cents, very strong support because it was the key level resistance. Before that, I have been telling you that this is the most strongest resistance and the support as well in the history of XRP. And I have been sharing this chart with you since May 2020, where I told you that once the price action will break out this key level resistance of 31 cents, then it can, on the long term, hit the $5 level. And after breaking out, this was the first bull flag that was appeared, and after that we were expecting that the price action can break out the 80 level the 80 cents resistance level. Now if I play this chart, we can see that we had a very perfect bull flag, but rather the price action break out this 80 cents resistance. The price action moved down, and this was the first bearish signal, very strong bearish signal that was appeared, that after this bull flag, the price action, rather moving up, it moved down and formed a harmonic move. Therefore, I shared the next chart with you where I told you that now the price action can complete this final leg of the bullish bad pattern and enter in this potential reversal zone after breaking down this 50 simple moving average. But now at this time, the price action has even broke down this 100 simple moving average as well, and now at this time it is at 200 simple moving average support. And now if we take a look at the different support levels, because we have very bad news, the price action can go more worse. At this time, the price action is bounced from this 22 cents support, and after that we have the 17 cents. And if we think that where the price action can move in the worst case situation, then if we take a look back at when we had the COVID situation back in March 2020, then we can see that the price action found a very strong support at 13 cents. So in very, very bad situation, the price action can move up to this 13 cents support. And if we predict that now the price action can now form a bullish crab pattern instead of this bad then that is not also not possible, because in that situation, especially in order to complete this final leg, the price action needs to move up to this level, that is a retracement level from between 1.27 to 1.618. For that, the price line of XRP needs to move to the negative territory, and that is not possible. Therefore, we can consider at this time our last support is 13 cents, but the price line of XRP at this time is stopped at 22 cents. That is really, very good sign. This is the first sign, positive sign, that we are having after this drop. Now, if we take a look at the weekly chart, the long-term weekly chart, the price line spiked beyond 200 simple moving average, 25, 100, and 50 simple moving average. We have the 50 simple moving average at almost 26 cents. And once we will have the closing on the weekly chart below 26 cents, then we can expect that it can also break down this Ichimoku bearish cloud that was, after a long time, it was broken out. And the price line again can move down this Ichimoku cloud. And then in that situation, once the price line will break down the 50 simple moving average on the weekly chart and this Ichimoku cloud on the weekly chart as well, then we can expect a drop up to 13 cents in that situation. At this time, if we take a look at the live daily chart, the price line has found a good support at 22 cents. And also on the weekly chart, it has found a good support at 50 simple moving average. But so far we did not have the closing. Let's see where it will this week will be closed. If it will be closed below this level, then we can expect a further downward move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video, and if you're not following me on the Patreon, then you can also support my channel there as well and join me there, and it will be really, very good for your trading experience. Also, I have shared the link to join me on the Patreon in the video's description. And for the people who were criticizing me for this drop when I predicted in my last video, I'm really, very sorry for those guys. Definitely this is a part of trading, and I make myself flexible for every move. And I will suggest you to make yourself flexible if you want to be a good trader, because the charts tell us everything. And if once you will learn to watch the charts, then you can get aware about the news before it comes in the market, and you will be ready for that. So this is my suggestion, and I hope that you'll like the video. And take care. Goodbye.